welcome back to the channel. Now, as y'all seen by the title, we're gonna be trying to clean up my daily car, my Dodge Charger. Let me clean it up a little bit, but before we do clean it up, I want to give y'all a little update on it, because right now I'm not able to drive it. It's on injury reserve right now, you feel me? It's a couple things I gotta do with it. I gotta change the brakes and rotors, all four, because like a couple days ago, before I stopped driving it, like a day before I stopped driving it, I heard it screeching real bad, and I could feel it every time I pressed the brake that the car don't want to stop all the way. So I got out that same day and I went and looked at my brakes and my rotors, and I seen rust all on my wheels. So I was like, oh yeah, I'm out of my brakes are gone, my brake pads are gone, and now my rotors are getting messed up. So I gotta get brakes and rotors, because I drove on it with no brake pads basically, which was stupid on me, real stupid on me. But like I said, my music be loud. Like y'all know, I put music in my Capri, so all my cars got music right. Well, both of my cars got music right now, except for my Cutlass, because the Cutlass, it ain't been running. So I ain't really figured, like, or I ain't think I need to put music in it right now until I got it running. But my Charger music be really loud, so I really can't hear nothing. But I was feeling it. So I say I drove this car like 2 days with the brake pads gone, 2-3 days. Then one day I decided not to play my music, and I heard it, and it was loud and it was bad, and I just figured, yeah, I need to park it until I'm able to get some brakes and rotors. And y'all know brakes and rotors not cheap, so once I get that money to get the brakes and rotors, we're gonna go get the brakes and rotors, then we're gonna install them. I'm gonna get my dad to help me install them, because I'm gonna have to bleed the brakes and all that stuff, and it's not easy doing it by yourself. So I'm gonna get my pops to help me, and we're gonna change the brakes and rotors on this car. But this video ain't gonna be about the brakes and rotors. I'm gonna get out and show y'all, because I had to clean up some of the rust off my wheels, because I ain't want them to stay on there and the wheels get real bad to where I can't even clean it off. So I'm gonna show y'all the brakes and the rotors and the wheels. But this video, we're gonna be cleaning it up a little bit. I'm gonna try to hide. Let me show y'all. Y'all see some of these wires that's showing. I'm gonna try to hide some. I might not be able to too much, because my switch, y'all probably don't know. Like I said, y'all probably seen the video already, but this car was a salvage title car, so I got it kind of cheap. So the radio, when we installed the radio, there wasn't no power cord. Even right here, the power don't work right there. So don't mind them pennies, they was here when I got the car, so I just left it here. I ain't cleaned it out really. Clean out the pennies, everything else I did, but because I felt like the pennies was good luck. But yeah, like I said, the power don't work. So whenever I go to start the car, the radio don't turn on, so I have to click the power button so it'll cut on. So me and my dad ended up going to get a switch. So y'all see, turn my speakers on, and then I just hit the power button to play the music. But yeah, y'all, got my switch for the speakers. So I was gonna end up putting this like right here in this wall like that, but I don't have no drill or nothing on me. I think I do have a drill. I might have a drill, so we might be able to do that too. Put that up, and then most of these wires, oh come on, most of these wires we're gonna be hiding, and then this light part, we're gonna be taking this out and throwing it away. I don't need it no more. The way we ran it to where it was sticking and hiding, but over time it's been coming out, coming down. Y'all probably can't see all the way up there, but I'm gonna end up showing y'all. Y'all see how we had it hidden, but now it ain't hiding no more, but I still got that light there. So yeah, we're gonna end up taking that out. This go to it. We had this right here and it was staying, but the double-sided tape wore off, so I had to throw it away. So we're gonna end up taking that out too. Next couple videos, I wanna try to wrap this car, like the hood part, to see how I do. So we're gonna be doing that in the next couple videos. But yeah, like I said, this video, I'm gonna be showing y'all the brakes and rotors, and we're gonna be trying to clean this up a little bit. So y'all give me a little time, because there's a couple things I gotta take out. Like I'm gonna have to take this part out so I can get to this. So I'm gonna have to unscrew that. It's not hard though. All I gotta do is pop this little silver piece off. Then it's 2 screws up here. Y'all see 2 screws right there, and they just pop right out. So yeah, y'all give me a little time so I can get this stuff situated. Focus. There you go. Let me get this stuff situated. Call back whoever just called my phone. I dropped my phone, so I'm gonna have to get that. But yeah, y'all give me a second. I'm gonna show y'all the brakes and the rotors, then we're gonna get started on the car. All right, y'all, so before we get started, I want to show y'all. I probably can't see it now. Yeah, y'all probably can't see it, but it was really bad on the back. Yeah, I can see a little bit of the rust still right there. I'm gonna have to get it off. But y'all see my brake pads. Oh, come on. Let me see if I can grab my flashlight on my phone. Y'all see it? It's pretty bad. Well, it was anyways. Y'all can see a little bit of the rust right there still. Let me go to the other side. Charger still look good, and my tire a little low now because it's been sitting. See, it wasn't that bad, but it's pretty bad. I ain't got no brake pad, so yeah, that's what we gonna be getting real soon. Hopefully this coming up week, I'm gonna be getting the brake pads. But go ahead and get inside. Yeah, I can see I got my drill and some more of the bits. We finna get ready to clean up this interior a little bit. So, and I cleaned up a little bit of that stuff. Y'all see my Bible. Yeah, give me a second to get this off. Once I get this off and we get ready to drill, I'm gonna come back to y'all. All right, y'all, so it's getting pretty hot in here. I ain't even gonna lie, but we got the centerpiece removed where the gear should be. I've hid some of the wires already, so I think it look 1,000 times better, and I pulled a lot of them LEDs up. So we finna, now I'm finna get ready to, like I said, I unscrewed, well, I didn't say it, but I unscrewed, undone the tape on my switch part. And I'm finna get ready to undo these wires so I can drill a hole and put my switch right there on the side. So that's what we finna do first. Let me set y'all up. There we go. Now I hope this drill bit is big enough. But we finna just go straight in. Make sure y'all got it. Yeah. I want it about right there. Now I don't think that's gonna be big enough, so I think I'll have to go with the biggest drill bit that we got. So let me change out this drill bit real quick, and we're gonna try the bigger one. Oh, it's going a lot quicker than what I expected, which is pretty good because I need to go record an update on the Cutlass for y'all too. I want to get y'all an update on that. Yeah, I feel like that should be, we'll just go with the next size down first, and then we'll see how this do. Yeah, I still need to go give y'all an update on the Cutlass, so that's why I'm trying to hurry this up so we can go do. Drill finna die, so I need to save. Need to move as quickly as possible for real. All right, let's see what we got now. Let's see if it'll fit. Nope. So we need to go a little bit bigger. A little bit bigger. So right by using the biggest one that we could. No, the drill died. Oh man. Yep, the drill died, bro. I knew it was low. I thought it'd let me do one more. And I ain't bring no other battery packs. I left them all in my dad's shop. Ooh. So we might have to try and make this little hole work then. Let's see what we can do. It's not gonna work. Nope. Freak, bro. The drill died a little bit too early. So let me try and get this done real quick. Then I'm gonna turn back on the camera once we get it back on. So y'all seen in that last clip where the drill died, so I had to go to my uncle's house and get my uncle's drill. But we finished now. Let me show y'all real quick. You feel me? No more wires showing. Don't mind these. These my USB cables or USB ports or whatever you want to call it. But you feel me? No, I'm gonna have to fix that and my remote wire for my speakers. But you feel me? No more wires showing. I think it look a whole lot more cleaner. I got up them LED strips. I was tired of them anyways. It's fine. I got these. Oh, y'all couldn't see, but I got that one. It'll be alright. You feel me? And I had to unhook the switch. Switch back on, switch back off. Now we finna just put everything up. Put everything back to how it was. Let me try and set y'all up real quick. Like I told y'all before, it's just a couple screws you gotta put in. So make sure this is good. Put that down, just like that, and then snap it in. There you go. You just snap it on down. Get my screwdriver. You put the 2 screws back in up here. One screw. 2 screws. And we're just gonna put them down. That simple. You don't want to do too tight because you don't want to crack it. Because this is still plastic, so you don't want to go too tight, but you want to make sure it's nice and tight, or nice and down really. Then this, you just put it back on and it snaps. My car needs to be detailed bad. Need to clean this up real bad. Put my Michael Jordan back right there. Yeah, that's it though. That's all you gotta do. You feel me? So, but like I said, we got that done pretty quickly. I'm finna go and record this update on y'all for the Cutlass. Clean up these tools. Take my uncle back his tools. Oh, my bad, y'all. I'm trying to fix my carpet back. Getting poked out soon. There's a couple more wires I do need to hide, but I'm not gonna do that right now because I feel like this video is already pretty long. So yeah, like I said before in the beginning, y'all do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all. That way y'all be notified every time I drop. I appreciate y'all for rocking with me so far. I'm trying to drop as much as possible, because like I said, 2023, I'm trying to make this a good year and make YouTube like my actual job. So I appreciate y'all for rocking with me, and I appreciate y'all for watching my videos. I just need y'all to like them for me when y'all watch it. It's free, don't cost you nothing. Subscribe, it's free, don't cost you nothing. yeah, that's really it. I appreciate y'all for watching this video. Hold on, I'm trying to get that right. All right. Yeah, I appreciate y'all for watching this video. The Charger's gonna be back hopefully this coming up week. My dad, at our shop, we got some brakes and rotors. I'm gonna see if them the ones that'll go for my car. So I'm gonna try and put the brakes and rotors on. I'm gonna record it so I can have some footage and y'all can see it. I appreciate y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll catch y'all in the next one.